I'm going to show you how to receive your tax form from your Crypto.com app. But first, what you want to do is open up that app. Once you open up the app, go to the top left, hit that little star button. And you want to scroll down until you find Help Center. Once you see Help Center, you click on it. Then in the search engine bar, you type in tax 1099. Once you type in 1099, you hit go. And it's the first one popped up here on my list. It says, what do I need to know about my 1099K form? What you want to do is click on that. And right here, you see that? Just scroll down and keep going down. And it says, how will the 1099K form be sent? By email or mail? I got mine by email. But if this don't answer your question right here, or you need more information, what you can do is go down here to the bottom right. And you click on this little thing right here. And you can ask them a question. And they're pretty good about answering those questions. So what you could do is just start a conversation and then hit send a message. Put send a message and you hit English and go on through the process, but it'll walk you through, and then you send a message to someone and they'll get back with you. But I did receive my 1099. It's called miscellaneous. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna go back to my home page, but I'm gonna open up my email. So when I open up my email, the first email I got was on January the 31st. So I clicked it up and I opened it. And it say you will receive your form 1099 miscellaneous. And you will receive it from this email address right here. So what you want to do is probably highlight this and go to your search engine on your email and see if you received it. Because mine went to my junk mail. So my spam. So that's probably where it said if you didn't receive it. So I'm going to just exit out of this. And the next email I got was this one on the same day. And there go my form. It says to receive your form. You just click on it. Then you type the last 4 digits of your social and hit continue. And this is what the form looks like. You see, it's only have this information. In box 3 only gives, say, other income. And they don't give you a breakdown. So I sent them a message to send me a breakdown on how they came up with this particular number right here. But that's all you have to do. You can either download this form or you can print it out. But that's how easy it is to get your 1099 MISC miscellaneous. So they changed it from 1099K to 1099 MISC. All right, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to sign up to Crypto.com, I'll leave a link in the description below. And like I told y'all before in my videos, I'm just the guinea pig for you guys. So if you don't feel comfortable buying crypto, don't do it. Just let me do it. Let me make all the mistakes for you guys and just learn from what I'm going through. So I'm just stepping out there taking a chance. So thanks again and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.